Get ready to fill your kitchen with the irresistible aroma of homemade butter pecan cookies. First, let's get our pecans ready. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and spread out 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. Toast them for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring halfway through. We're looking for a golden tan here, not a sunburn. Let's talk brown butter. If you caught my brown butter snickerdoodle video, which is linked here, you know the magic it brings. We're going to mix that with light brown sugar and granulated sugar in a large bowl, giving it a good whisk until it's as well mixed as your favorite playlist. Time to add in 2 large eggs and a splash of vanilla extract. Whisk it up until everything's smooth and happy, about 1 minute. Think about the whisk as a little workout before you enjoy your delicious cookies. Let's get our dry ingredients in the mix. Sift in 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sifting will ensure that there are no lumps or flour pockets in your final product. Now grab a silicone spatula and gently fold the dough. Remember, we're not trying to wake up the neighbors. Just fold until combined. Let's bring back in the star of the show, those toasted pecans. Gently fold them into the dough and let this nutty, buttery mixture chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. I like to wrap mine in plastic wrap, and remember, the longer it chills, the more flavor you'll unlock. When you're ready to bake, preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. We're all about easy cleanup here. Using a cookie scoop, drop dough portions onto the sheets. Leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie. And after 10 to 12 minutes, you'll have golden edges but a soft heart, just like the best of us. Allow them to cool on a wire rack, but if you sneak a taste while they're still warm, I won't tell. And there you have it, beautiful brown butter pecan cookies that are sure to impress. I hope you enjoy making and eating these as much as I do. Happy baking, and don't forget to share your cookie masterpieces with me in the comments. Remember, this recipe is linked in the description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.